How would you feel if I told you that you could tap into the super hot and super profitable agency, info selling, and e-commerce industry? And just imagine being able to do that right from the comfort of your home, from scratch, like a pro, and with zero prior knowledge or technical skills. Interested? Hi there, this is David from Team Sellers Pal, along with Dr. Amit Parikh and Ashu Kumar. Together, they've happily sold over $7 million of digital products during their 10 plus years of online business experience. Not only have they made millions of dollars themselves, but more importantly, they've also helped thousands of people get their desired profitable online business right from their homes. And while we don't say this to brag, we do want to make one thing clear. When it comes to becoming successful online, nothing beats the power of selling your own digital products, courses, or services online to a huge, hungry audience. That's a $25+ trillion market. And when you tap into its immense power and use it for business, the results can be true freedom and explosive income, all at the same time. But if you're like most people, you're probably tired of trying to piece together multiple software packages and paying huge monthly fees just to get the perfect marketing solution in one place, right? Well, we know exactly how you feel. Even though we were succeeding with it, we can't deny how frustrating it was trying to get different apps to work together seamlessly. So we decided to fix that problem and create our own solution. After years of learning and planning and coding and debugging, and after real user testing with thousands of real users, we're pleased to announce that we've created that solution. And we'd like to share it with you today, proudly presenting Sellers Pal. First to JVZoo, a proprietary 5-in-1 app that helps marketers and entrepreneurs launch fast, sell more, and market their products, courses, and agency services all in one place and completely hassle-free. So let my friend Paul from the Sellers Pal team give you a closer look at Sellers Pal.
It has never been easier to launch your products or services online. But with Sellers Pal, it's easy and fast. Replace multiple old school and money-sucking marketing platforms with this 5-in-1 cutting-edge technology that helps power your business in 3 easy steps. 1. Create a product. To begin, just add your product, service, or course. If you do not have one, use from our DFY products to Quick Start. Your products will be delivered in login secured members area on automation. 2. Choose payment gateway. Now, just integrate your PayPal or Stripe account to receive payments from your clients directly in your account. 3. Start getting sales. Now get your smart checkout link to start getting orders on your website, social media, and right from your emails like a pro. Start selling online 360 degrees, quick and easy. No installation, no coding, or other techie stuff. And everything works under a single dashboard, without multiple logins, and with zero frustration of learning about how to use all those apps. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With Sellers Pal, you can do much more. First, this is a proprietary 5-in-1 technology that lets you start quickly, sell more, and grow faster online, all without a single hitch. Sellers Pal gives you the power to launch fast by creating beautiful websites and stores for your business. Simply choose from 100+ done-for-you templates. Your website will have a beautiful membership site to deliver your products and client projects securely. Next, up is the power to sell unlimited products, digital products, physical goods and services, all from single platform. Or, if you don't have your own products to sell, we've got your back covered, as you're getting our 2 high-quality, done-for-you products with resale rights to start selling right away. Make best use of our smart checkout links to directly receive payments from social media, emails, and on any page. You can easily create unlimited, beautiful, fast-loading landing pages for any niche and goal in a few minutes. Get our next generation advanced drag and drop editor to create whatever you want and wherever you want without even one pixel error. You'll also receive 100 plus DFY proven, converting, mobile responsive, and ready to go landing page templates. These templates are easy to use. Just load them up, click to edit, publish, and you're ready to start getting the best results ASAP. Along with that, you can accept payments through PayPal and Stripe with zero fees. Now, that's surely something that'll help to grow your business with zero dependency. And that's just a handful of features. An entire host of other features that come included with Sellers Pal when you sign up today. So, whatever your goal, we have a proven solution for you. So just get your hands on Sellers Pal to sell and market your products, services, and offers online, and it streamlines everything for you 24/7, even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It has got everything covered. And that makes Sellers Pal a cut above the rest. It's fast and easy, it's all in one platform, it's reliable and robust. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. And, in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our live chat customer support. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
Now, stop wasting your time and hard-earned money on complicated and recurring software packages that undermine your efforts. Sellers Pal has everything you need. So what are you waiting for? Sellers Pal is available for a one-time price without any limitations. But just for this special charter launch of 7 days, and after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time agency license that you could use for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to earn an additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now, the clock is ticking here, so click on the button below and get instant access to Sellers Pal for this one-time low price before it becomes a monthly recurring fee. Once again, Dr. Amit Parikh, Ashu Kumar, and myself congratulate you in advance for taking action now to build your successful business for years to come. The Sellers Pal team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.